What's going on, Pokemon World and Tokusatsu Multiverse? It's Pokesatsu here, and welcome to another episode of the Pokemon Gaia playthrough. In the last episode, we caught, I think it was the last episode, we caught two new team members. And we got a pretty good stacked team. Excuse me. I tried to correct myself and then made the same exact sound. We have a stacked team, and I'm going to be doing a team recap right now, because honestly, this team is pretty good. So we're going to start off with one of the newest team member, which is Optimus the Phanpy with the Lonely Nature. It has the ability Sand Veil, and the moves Roll Out, Defense Curl, Flail, and Growl, and believe me, Optimus was really hard to grind. And that is an understatement. It was very hard to grind. Next up, we have our starter, Durandal. It has the Purple Up with the Mild Nature, and it has the Torrent ability, and the moves Cut, Metal Claw, Bubble Beam, and Peck. Next, we have Nala the Litleo with the Hasty Nature, the Rivalry ability, and the moves Headbutt, Leer, Ember, and Workup. So far, Durandal and Nala have not changed moves for quite a few levels, or at least quite a few episodes, maybe one or two. So hopefully something happens. I mentioned in an earlier episode I thought Nala would learn Bite at some point. I still don't know if it even does, because I haven't even looked up any movesets. So hopefully we do get new moves on them, or maybe an evolution or something today in this episode, and then we're gonna move on. Next we have, next and last, we have Goki the Timber, Quiet Nature, the Guts ability, and the moves Low Kick, Focus Energy, Rock Throw, and Leer. And now, I mentioned in the last episode, I believe, keep in mind it's been like a week since between these episodes nearbout, that this is the rival in front of the gym. I think we battle them and then take on the gym, but let's go ahead and find out. You made it, Zachary. It's been a while, no? But the professor told me all about Apex Temple. On the way up, I fought this gym and got the badge. Say, it's been a while since we last battled. What do you say? Are you up to it? Sure, why not? Don't hold back, okay? Alright. So we're even on team members. Alright. So now, Makuhita. Oh. That's gonna be... Okay. What I'm gonna do is... Well, what I should do right now is I have pretty good defense. Okay, so Fake Out wouldn't have mattered if I did switch. I'm gonna Growl as much as I can to get its attack stat lowered. Focus Energy nullifies that. If it gets a crit, that's nice. Great. Force Palm. Okay. That's gonna be troublesome. If you just heard that noise, my mom just closed the bedroom door to her room. I'm gonna switch to Durandal now, and I'm gonna use Bubble Beam, because I don't think Makuhita has good special defense, and you would have Sand Attack. Okay, we're gonna use Bubble Beam. This should do pretty decent damage. Yeah, Force Palm, and you didn't get a crit. Okay, wait, no, not Super Potion. Okay, then. Can we get a crit? Or we can get a miss. Oh my god, 2 in a row. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? And then there's a crit, too. Okay. Oh, high roll? Okay. Send out a Grottle. That's where we switch into Nala. We are not doing the best right now. Jesus. Grottle's level 22? What? I thought I was ahead when I grinded to level 21 with everybody. I'm behind. Oh, no, dude. I'm behind. It's okay, I'm not worried about your defense. I'm not hitting you physically. Okay. And this should take it out? Yeah, oh, now we get a crit. Now we get a crit. That's interesting. Alright. Roggenrola. I'm gonna switch into Goki. Give you some screen time outside of, like, grinding and stuff. Okay. Now, you should have... Okay, well, sturdy won't matter now. You would... Iron defense. This should still do... Okay. Headbutt. That did a respectable amount for a Roggenrola. Okay. Goki. Swablu. Honestly, Swablu has pretty bad stats. I'm gonna stay in and Rock Throw. Okay. As long as that doesn't increase in power. Well, there's the stab move. Okay. We made it past the rival. That's really good. No, I lost again? Breathe in. Breathe out. I've got to control my anger. Okay. Maybe my Pokemon aren't strong like yours because of this experience share. I guess you could find a better use for it. Oh. Anyway, let's forget that battle happened. I'll meet you near Apex Temple, alright? Don't take too long, Slowpoke. Okay, so... now we fight the gym, I guess? I took so much advantage of this Pokemon Center when I was grinding, because I was like, I'm not going to use potions, I'm not going to use like status items or anything like that. I want to completely rely on this Pokemon Center, and when doing my grinding, I knew I had to. I didn't mean to walk back in there. I knew it would save me a lot of money in the game if I did. Alright, so what type are you? What? That's right, you gotta listen to the Chatot song and then repeat it back to them. This will clear the branches in your way. Oh, this is a flying type gym. Behold, the might and variety of the flying type. Okay. Wilhelm? Oh, wait a minute. Are all of their names sounds? Like references? I don't know if that's how you actually spell it, though, but I think that's the scream from Star Wars, the Wilhelm scream. That's really cool if they're all references to, like, names or stuff like that. Their names are sounds. I would love that if that's a reference. Another Talo. I'll stay in. Wing attack. Another rollout. We should win with this one. Okay. How is this possible? Let's go ahead and heal up the Fampy. Wait, I'm gonna use a super potion. Okay. Okay. Blue, red, yellow, red, yellow. Okay. You thought I was gonna be the leader, didn't you? I mean, no, not this early on. No. The leaders are never easy to get to. Alright, Optimus, you're just gonna roll out again. Optimus is probably gonna get the most screen time if this is actually it is the flying gym. Because rollout's gonna do some work. Rollout is gonna do some work. Excuse me. Defeated last Jane. Jane. Is that anything? I don't know. Be fine. Oh, what? So there's nothing there. Okay. Yellow, blue, yellow, red. Brother, what? Yellow, blue, yellow, red. Yellow, blue, yellow, red. Okay. Yellow, blue, yellow, red. Yellow, blue, yellow, red. I'm the hot dude who protects area from danger. Okay. By Birdkeeper Peter. Okay, Peter. Pursuit. Again, like, it's so uncommon to see Pursuit. Like, I know it's a Gen 3 game, but, like, I've been playing mostly Gens, like, 7, 8, and 9 recently. So I haven't seen Pursuit hardly at all. So this is really interesting to me, how, like, I'm getting to see it again. Togetic. I don't know if I should stay in, but I probably will. Yeah, I'm gonna stay in. And... Okay. Optimus is definitely putting in some work. Impossible! Alright, so you're the gym leader. I'm going to guess. Let's use a potion on Optimus. I could have probably used a super potion. I'm gonna use 2. Do I have something I can give for better damage? Hidden power. Will it tell me what the hidden power is? Okay, so it's hidden power flying for Durandal. It's hidden... Oh, hidden power grass, though. Honestly? Do I want to get rid of Lear right now? Hidden Power Grass would be a really good move. I'm gonna get rid of Lear. Something for... excuse me. Something for if I have to battle a water type. Let's see. What have you got, Goki? If you could be something like electric, that'd be cool. Ghost. Okay. So now we're just gonna check Optimus. And let me guess, you're gonna be... I'm gonna say you're gonna be hidden powered fighting. My god. I couldn't guess any of them right. Okay. You know what? That's gonna be fine. We're gonna go ahead, and I believe this is the gym leader. We're gonna battle her. My name is Arya. I have soared high and swooped low with my flying type Pokemon. Will this battle be a peak, or will you fall? What tune do you play? It's time to find out. I play that funky music, white boy. Vullaby. Okay. I'm gonna try and Defense Curl. Okay, well this completely nullifies that, so that's cool. And I'm gonna roll out until I can't. Okay. And Vullaby's pretty bulky, so that says something. Okay. Gligar. I'm gonna stay in. Knockoff is fine, I don't have an item anyway. Ooh. Oh, okay, we're switching. We are switching into Durandal. That didn't do as much as I thought it would. Knockoff. Okay. I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm coughing so much in this episode as well. Like, my throat's been really good these past few days. It's like I only start coughing when I'm on recording. I don't know why. And it's starting to, like, really make me mad. Chatot. No, I'll stay in. What level are you? 23. Oh no. And this move gets stronger with each use. Right? No, it confused me. Oh no. Don't hit yourself. Okay. And doesn't this lower speed? Okay, she's gonna heal. Not to full, though. Please use Bubble Beam again. Please use Bubble Beam again. It hurt itself in confusion. Well, we're gonna fall to Chatter anyway, so I'm gonna use this to get a clean switch. Because this is not a Nuzlocke. We're gonna go into Nala, and we're gonna start using headbutts. After this headbutt, we're gonna start using embers. Okay. Oh my god, that did not do as much as I thought it would. What is with your confusing me? Oh my god. Okay. My only bet now is I'm going to rock throw. Hopefully I live one chatter? Okay. Optimus. I'm gonna use a super potion. I don't want to cheese this, but like, I think Chatter has like 10 PP. You would. Flail feels like the right move if we live, which we don't. We don't. Okay. Well, honestly, I blame myself. So, we're going to use this episode as a learning experience, and I'm going to call the episode right here. And I know that's probably a bad way of ending the episode, personally. Like, some of you would rather me just scrap the recording and face the gym in this episode and then go on from there. Personally, I need to grind more, and I will probably do that in between this episode and the next episode. So, we're gonna grind. We're gonna get to, I'm gonna say level 24 to be above her. And then we're going to try again in the next episode. So, with all that being said, it's time for the outro. I know I didn't do much commentary outside of just the gameplay this episode, and I apologize for that. I am behind on episodes, so I'm doing 2 today, and then I'm doing 1 tomorrow to make up for missing on Friday. So, outro. Whether you're trying to be the very best, like no one ever was, or just trying to ride or kick it up a notch, just remember that you've got this, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care.